Hello everyone, I am glad you are here. In this video, we are going to talk about why learning English is very important for your career and future opportunities. We will learn step by step, in a simple and easy way, how English can help you in school, work, travel, and daily life. Do not worry if you are a beginner. I will explain everything clearly, with examples and tips that you can use every day. By the end of this video, you will understand why English is a key skill for your growth. And you will also get ideas on how to practice and improve. Let us start our journey and discover how English can open doors to many opportunities. Chapter 1. The Power of English in Today's World. English is spoken in many countries around the world. People use English to talk, study, and work. When you know English, you can communicate with many people easily. For example, if you travel to a new country, you can ask for directions, order food, and meet new friends. English becomes a bridge between people from different cultures. In schools and universities, many books and materials are written in English. If you understand English, you can read these books without any difficulty. You will also understand news, articles, and information from the internet. This knowledge helps you stay updated and learn new things every day. In daily life, English is everywhere. Movies, music, and television programs often use English. When you watch and listen carefully, your English improves naturally. You start to understand words and phrases without memorizing them. Simple conversations in English make you confident. Learning English also helps in expressing ideas clearly. You can share your thoughts, ask questions, and explain things in a better way. When you speak or write in English, people understand you more easily. This skill is useful in schools, colleges, and workplaces. Even if you are shy or nervous, practicing English a little every day helps a lot. Start with small sentences and simple words. Then you can use longer sentences and new vocabulary. Over time, you will notice that English is not difficult. It becomes a part of your daily life, and you feel more confident talking and understanding. Knowing English opens many doors. You can meet people, learn new things, and explore opportunities. English gives power to your career and your future. The more you practice, the stronger your skills become. Chapter 2. English and Career Growth. English is very important for career growth. Many companies and organizations use English to communicate. When you know English, you can talk to colleagues, clients, and managers easily. This skill helps you do your job better and gain respect at work. In many professions, English is necessary. For example, in business technology, education, and medicine, people often use English. If you understand English, you can read instructions, reports, and emails without problems. You can also write letters, messages, and reports clearly. These skills make your work faster and more accurate. Job interviews often require English. When you speak English confidently, interviewers notice your skills and attitude. You can explain your experience, answer questions, and share ideas clearly. Even if you feel nervous, practicing English before an interview makes a big difference. Freelancing and online jobs are growing every day. Many websites and clients expect workers to know English. If you can read and write English well, you can find more opportunities. You can work with people from different countries and earn money using your skills. English also helps in promotions and professional growth. When managers see that you communicate well, they trust you with more responsibilities. You can join meetings, give presentations, and lead projects successfully. These opportunities help you grow in your career and achieve your goals. Even small efforts make a big difference. Speak in English with friends, write short notes, and read simple articles every day. Over time, your vocabulary, grammar, and confidence improve. Learning English is not only for exams. It is a tool to build your career and future. Chapter 3: Education and Learning Opportunities. English is very important for education. Many books, articles, and research papers are written in English. If you understand English, you can read these materials easily. This helps you learn new subjects faster and better. You can also explore topics that are not available in your local language. Many universities and online courses use English to teach. If you know English, you can join international programs and learn from experts around the world. Scholarships and study opportunities often require good English skills. When you understand instructions and lectures, your learning becomes easier and more effective. English also helps in online learning. Many websites, videos, and tutorials are in English. You can watch and listen to lessons on any topic. You can take notes, ask questions, and understand concepts clearly. Learning English opens a huge world of knowledge that is available everywhere. When you write essays, reports, or assignments, English makes your work clear and professional. You can explain ideas, give examples, and share your thoughts. Teachers and classmates can understand you better. Writing in English improves your thinking skills and confidence. Even if you are a beginner, small daily practice helps a lot. Read simple articles, listen to English videos, and try to write a few sentences. Over time, your understanding grows, and you feel more comfortable learning in English. English gives you the freedom to explore education beyond your city or country. You can learn from experts, read advanced books, and connect with students worldwide. Learning English is not just a subject. It is a tool to unlock your education and future opportunities. Chapter 4: Confidence in Communication. English helps you speak with confidence. When you know English, you can talk to people clearly. You can share your ideas, ask questions, and explain your thoughts without fear. Confidence comes when you practice speaking regularly. In school, college, or workplace, good communication is very important. If you can speak English well, teachers, classmates, and colleagues understand you easily. You can join discussions, answer questions, and participate in group activities. This shows that you are prepared and responsible. Even small conversations matter. Greeting someone, introducing yourself, or asking for help in English improves your confidence. When you speak often, mistakes become less important. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Over time, you speak more naturally and comfortably. English also helps in public speaking. When you give a presentation, you can explain your points clearly. People pay attention because your words are correct and understandable. This skill is useful not only in school, but also in professional life. Confidence grows with practice. Reading aloud, listening to English videos, and repeating phrases help a lot. Speaking in front of a mirror or with friends makes you more confident. You start to feel proud of your ability to communicate in English. When you are confident in English, new opportunities come naturally. You can make friends, share ideas, and work in international environments. English becomes a tool to connect with people, express yourself, and achieve goals. Chapter 5. Technology, Internet, and English. English is very important in technology and the digital world. Most websites, apps, and online tools use English. If you understand English, you can use these tools easily. You can search for information, write emails, and connect with people online. Many online jobs require English. Freelancers, writers, programmers, and designers often communicate with clients in English. When you can read and write English well, you get more opportunities. You can work with people from different countries and learn new skills. Learning English also helps in understanding technology. Instructions, manuals, and tutorials are usually in English. If you know English, you can set up devices, use software, and solve problems quickly. You do not have to wait for translations or help from others. English is also helpful in social media and online learning. You can watch videos, read articles, and join forums in English. These resources teach new skills and provide information about your interests. Using English online makes learning faster and easier. Even simple practice helps. Write short notes, emails, or posts in English. Read tech articles or watch videos in English. Over time, your vocabulary grows, and you understand instructions without difficulty. Small steps every day make a big difference. English opens the world of technology for you. You can learn, work, and communicate better. Knowing English makes you confident in using the internet, online tools, and digital platforms. It is not just a language, it is a skill for the future. Chapter 6. Traveling, Networking, and Connections. English is very useful when you travel. Many countries use English for communication. If you know English, you can ask for directions, book hotels, order food, and talk to locals. Traveling becomes easier and more enjoyable when you can speak and understand English. English also helps in meeting new people. When you travel or attend events, you meet people from different countries. Speaking English allows you to introduce yourself, ask questions, and make friends. These connections can last for a long time and help you personally and professionally. Networking is important for your career. Conferences, workshops, and seminars often use English. If you can communicate well, you can share your ideas, learn from others, and create professional connections. These relationships may lead to new opportunities, collaborations, or jobs. Even in daily life, English is useful. Talking to tourists, international colleagues, or online friends becomes easy. You feel confident and comfortable in new situations. English gives you freedom to explore new places and meet new people without hesitation. Practice is the key to confidence. Speak in English whenever you can. Ask simple questions, greet people, and share your thoughts. Listening to conversations in English also helps you learn new words and expressions. Knowing English opens many doors. It allows you to travel freely, connect with people worldwide, and grow your network. English becomes a tool for learning, sharing, and building relationships. The more you use it, the easier and more natural it becomes. Chapter 7. Continuous learning and practice tips. Learning English is a journey, and practice is very important. Even small daily efforts help a lot. Reading, listening, writing, and speaking every day makes your skills stronger. The more you practice, the more confident and comfortable you become. Start with simple habits. Read short articles, watch English videos, or listen to podcasts. Write a few sentences about your day or your thoughts. Speak English with friends, family, or even by yourself. Small steps every day create big improvements over time. Listening carefully is very helpful. When you hear English in movies, songs, or conversations, try to understand words and sentences. Repeat them and use them in your own speech. This method improves both vocabulary and pronunciation naturally. Writing also helps you think in English. Keep a small diary, write emails, or post on social media in English. When you write, you remember words and grammar better. You also learn how to express ideas clearly and professionally. Speaking is the most important skill. Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Speak as much as you can, even if sentences are short or simple. Over time, your confidence and fluency grow. Consistency is the key. Practicing a little every day is better than practicing a lot once in a while. Make English a part of your daily life, not just a subject to study. Learning English opens many doors. It helps in career growth, education, travel, networking, and personal development. Every word you learn and every sentence you speak brings new opportunities. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy the journey. English is not only a language, it is a tool for your future success.